Okay, today we're going to dive into the VMAX 1200 throttle assembly. I'm not sure how well this is going to show up, but you've got the push-pull cables coming from the carburetor, going to a junction box here, or a slider box. There's some script on there facing towards the carburetor. You've got whilst this looks like it's twisted, the upper is labelled to open, the lower is labelled to close. The situation I found was that this part was missing and this screw was stripped out. It wouldn't secure, so that's why the part was missing. Stripped out of the backing of the assembly, and as you can see there's a little bit of dodginess going on there. We'll put a bit of tape over that to stop it chafing anything. But situation we faced was that the throttle was very slow in returning, which when we're talking about a 1200cc hot rod V4 is somewhat concerning. If you have a stuck throttle on a little 100cc bike, you might have an issue. If you have a stuck throttle on a VMAX, you're probably going to get hurt. Now let's see if we can mount the trailer. So we've got a positive return now. The cables were the fault. And we'll go back around. We'll show you what was going on. There's an opening cable was fractured on the top here, and the return cable, which threads into the throttle, dummy leg in, the throttle housing under here, was snapped. So it took 4 weeks to get this sorted out because all the parts had to come direct from Japan. But it's good to know that your 96 bike still has parts available for it new from the manufacturer. That's the sort of support you get from Yamaha. So yeah, we've got a running motor, we've got a working throttle assembly. Now that it's stopped raining, we'll put it back together, and the next aim is to get it off the trailer, test to see if it's got the second gear issue, and then put it into storage for a while.